Bodega Boys.
Welcome, everybody, to the 2019 Democratic debates. We have on stage the last half of the panel, which consists of Michael Anthony, Republican, representing Staten Island, Mr. Fun, who is from Funtopia, and Benzo the Clown, who just got here from the hospital. So first off, this question is for you, Mr. Fun.
Call me Mr. Fun is a very formal name. Just call me FF for short.
Okay, all right. So, Mr. How do you feel about Medicare for all? It's a big issue on the ballot this year.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm not a brain surgeon. I don't know much about Medicare, but I do love kids. And I want the kids to, have full insurance. All the kids. I want to respect them.
He likes kids because he touches them. He fucking touches them.
Wow.
Yeah,
wow.
You touch kids.
Wow.
You touch kids.
These allegations are egregious. And you know what? I would like to use my time on the podium to say,
America.
Excuse me, Michael Anthony, please. Michael Anthony, please.
Drug test. I'm the only candidate up here that can pass the drug test.
Don, this guy's bringing up bullshit.
Excuse me, please. Can we stick to the format? We're talking about Medicare for all.
If he will disavow Syria and Julio.
Okay. To you, Michael Anthony.
Listen, all I can say, I absolutely disavow Syria. 100%. 100%. What they're doing over there is egregious. It's an awful thing. It's bad. I don't know exactly what it is they're doing. I just know it's bad. As far as Julio, I can unequivocally say that I will not contact him via telephone. All right.
Okay.
Also, I would like to pass legislation that all clowns have to be drug tested.
So this is Medicare for all. Is this part of the Medicare for all?
The
initiative?
American medical system is a clown show. A clown show.
It's pretty easy for you to say, huh? Are you a member of the clown community? Huh? Are you a member of the clown community? I would respect you, Mr. Fun, if you kept your comments to yourself, as you are just a sidekick and not a member of the clown community, as am I, Benzo the Clown, professional clown. I've been doing this for 40 years. You don't have the experience. You're a junior clown.
I'm not a clown. What I am is a kid's counselor, a kid's friend, and I'm a popular Kids Bob artist.
And you also have a van outside that says candy written crudely on the side. I wonder what that's for.
I was passing my school and the kids were cute.
Okay. Michael Anthony, do you have anything to say about this?
Yeah, look at these two fucking wackadoos. Are you crazy? Look at these guys. You want to vote for these guys? Vote for me. Hot bundles for everybody.
Hey,
hot bundles for all.
Michael Anthony.
Narcan for all.
I got a question. How old are you?
17.
I mean, technically you're a child of God, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I was an altar boy.
You was an altar boy? Let me see your altar boy.
I mean, you got a bag?
I got a lot of bags in the back of my car.
All right. Hey, Don, I'm gonna step off for a second.
Yeah, I gotta go do something.
Yeah, all right.
All right. I guess this debate is over. Benzo the Clown is the clear winner. Wow, it's an incredible debate. Incredibly stirring. We'll see you at the next debate. Stay tuned. Don Lemon signing off. This is episode 167 of the most dangerous podcast in the game. What the fuck just happened? I have no idea. Do the fucking drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, it's episode 167.
Yeah.
Remember when we used to just ease into the podcast?
Yeah.
Now we're just ramming that shit in. Spitting on it like, take that.
No perianal massage.
Okay, I didn't even know there was a word for it. Niggas is using I can't believe it's not butter as lube. All right. That's gotta be a record.
I can't believe it's not nutter.
All right, you guys see what kind of episode this is gonna be.
Yeah, you already know.
You already know.
Listen, dog. We doubling up and we getting on the plane. So
Yeah, listen.
enjoy.
Special double toppy episode. Double toppy.
Oh yes, double toppy, double toppy.
Double toppy looks cool, but like in pornos and shit. But then like the other, like when the person's not sucking off, the other person looks bored. Like they don't know. What to do.
Yeah, they're just like they're like holding it.
Yeah,
They're
should I just go for the
like
nuts?
yeah. Sometimes it's mad awkward because one is like if they got big foreheads and shit, like one's
like bump their heads together. Yeah.
The weirdest shit in Pino though is like I'm gonna kiss you while this dude is blowing your back out, because it's like you're getting your back blown out, so you're going like this and you're trying to kiss shorty and like
it's kind of hot.
This got to be mad chip teeth in porn.
Oh wow, yeah. I mean,
think about it.
If you're an adult, you know how not to chip your teeth, like getting rammed from the back.
Yeah,
getting sodomized.
Sodomize sounds kind of like sodomy. Like they should just call it butt fucking, because sodomy sounds like something like
an 80s song. Like,
yeah, sodomy.
We can do some sodomy. Every day. We can do butt play. Do that right there.
Sodomy. The Phil Collins B-side. B for butt.
Sodomize, tell me sweet sodomize. Listen, the 80s were wild, dog.
Sweet sodomize.
Things have never been up there. So far.
Ouchie. Ouch.
That's such a corny song.
Yo, it's so
you
bad.
Boston fans.
Yeah.
How you playing baseball?
Yo.
How you in a bar?
Fucking
And then you
weirdos.
get out of nowhere singing fucking Sweet
Caroline. Also, that sounds wild, Mr. Funny.
Hey, will someone call for me? Where's Caroline? And who told you she was sweet?
I just
Like, we're doing Yelp reviews on kids now?
Oh no! It's on Angie's list.
Mr. Fun is not a good character, y'all.
Yo, he's a terrible person.
Is it Mr. Fun or Mr. Funny Fun? Either way, you don't want to know.
No.
Okay.
Yo, Mr. Fun is not here for the play. Or he is.
He is for the play.
Very inappropriate play.
You know what I'm saying? It's like The Wire. Like just minding your business, and all of a sudden, oh shit, Mr. Fun.
Oh shit, Mr. Fun coming.
Oh, Mr. Fun.
Oh shit, yo.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh shit. Yo.
Grabbing the kids and running inside, locking the door.
Niggas just throwing kids in bags and shit like, hurry the fuck up.
Fun time.
No.
We gotta take the Mr. Softy track and like flip it the way Jordan Peele flipped I Got 5 on it, and make it dark.
Yeah.
And then make the wild Mr. Fun movie about kids coming up missing and shit. And who saves them? Peele.
Oh shit.
Because he tries to abduct Peele, but he's
like, I don't fucking baby. Yeah.
And just that scene, Peele goes in the warehouse and he sees all the kids locked up, and he's like, oh shit.
Yo, his niggas zip tied to a fucking thing. He gets his phone. He's like, yo, Bodega Boys, I need you help.
Oh, you gotta come help him?
Yeah. Let me come through like the A-team and
Peele,
shit.
turn right at the left vent. And, like he's crawling through the vents and shit.
Well, like the nigga at the bottom of the screen. Like,
Peele, stop. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 threats in front of you.
Solid Peele.
Peele, at my watch, I need you to drop down. Standard 474, October Bravo Nova. Ready? Go.
Go. Niggas fall that then you just hear nigga gets under a box, but it's a fucking Nike box. Little ass nigga.
So P.O. the one baby I couldn't get.
They have the wild face off again.
Yeah.
It's a funny versus P.O.
It's the wild crouching tiger from Hidden Dragon shit with niggas on wires and shit fighting.
P.O., can I ask you one question?
What is that?
Dame a la hookah.
Oh, papi, no, you put in your mouth on baby. No, you don't put your mouth on my hookah, papi. No, you put in your mouth on baby pee-pee. No, papi, no.
Wow. One more, you know what? One more.
Yeah, fuck it.
One more. Just to be safe. Just to be safe, because niggas is wild.
Niggas is wild. Yo, the Yankees did not do shit at the trade deadline. What else is new? Niggas was waiting for the
Okay, what's
Cashman
funny is
special.
all the Yankee fans were like, yeah, they're trying to save money. No, it's not. The Yankees are not a single mother with 3 kids.
Fam, the Yankees are not the Milwaukee Brewers.
Okay, the Yankees have
You know what I'm saying?
money. Like,
money.
by not trading, maybe Hal got another boat. Like,
You know
they
what
can
I'm
spend
saying?
the money.
Spend the fucking money, nigga. That's what we pay you for.
You know what? I feel like they're just like, yo, fuck it. I own a team. Owning a team, like getting a championship is cool, but if you got mad other shit going on, I don't give a shit about a championship.
Bruh.
That's why they need to make the city own teams, and then our taxes should pay for sport. No, that's terrible. It's just terrible.
Don't do that.
Take money away from public schools and give it towards sports.
Yes.
Yes.
Give it to the Giants. They need it.
No, New York. You know what? Almost to the side. If New York bought the Knicks,
Oh, my God.
They could
the
do a
Knicks-
better job.
Yo, the Knicks would go on a 10-year championship run.
imagine if we had to vote for every trade and shit. This nigga standing online on Tuesday like, yeah, you're getting Ron Baker back.
Yeah.
Goddamn
We
right.
absolutely.
Goddamn right.
Yeah, you know what?
Vote yes on Ron Baker.
You know what I'm saying? Amari Stoudemire, Knicks legend. Okay? Thank you. That's his name. He's being like, nah, we not. Nigga, what the fuck you
Don't
talking
play
about?
Amari Stoudemire because I feel like my career trajectory is going the same way as him. Because you see, I'm going back and forth to LA a lot. You know, it's just a matter of time before I convert to Judaism.
You come back.
I'm gonna have to go to Israel.
We do the next celebrity softball game. Your name is like, yo, Young Yahweh.
I got the beard, I got the little curls and the little strings. Yeah. When I go do my blood rite in Israel, I write a little post-it, put it in the Wailing Wall, float in the Dead Sea.
I text this nigga like, yo, son, you see that shit? He's like, yeah, I swear to God. G dash D.
You know what it is. You know what it is. Mazel tov, my nigga. Only nigga with a supreme yarmulke.
Word.
Shit,
Do
fresh
they make-
out of Flight Club.
Do they have Supreme yarmulkes? That's
know
like
they
an
do.
ultimate flex.
First of all, you are our Jewish correspondent. You're supposed to know this.
I'm like, I just didn't want to. I didn't even want to put that in the air and have my kids be like, yo, I want a Supreme yarmulke.
They do. These are kind of whack though. Yeah, that should look wild for Jay-Z.
They're bootleg.
Yeah.
They're not official.
Wait, they got Trump yarmulkes. If they got Trump yarmulkes, we making Bodega Boy yarmulkes.
Fuck that.
Y'all want that?
Y'all want Bodega Boys yarmulkes?
The brand is strong.
Let it be known then.
In Hebrew.
You know what I'm saying?
Woo, nigga. All right.
Dog, we
For your bar mitzvah. Oh, your bat mitzvah.
look at this.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at this. You see this right here?
Oh, your bat mitzvah for all my transhumans.
Look,
Yeah.
look.
Turn up.
Turn up. You know what I'm saying? Wherever you lay on the gender spectrum, we got you. You know what I'm saying? Got you.
Yeah.
Look at all the ideas. This is where it all comes from, B.
Do you know the difference between trans and transhuman?
No, but I know more human than human. More human than human. You know what I'm saying? So the Rob Zombie. You know what I'm saying?
Catch Mero performing covers at CBGB's. Get a little bed bugs in your ass.
This shit is like chirping chicken.
And when you're
now
done,
shit.
go up the street to Remote Lounge.
Niggas said Remote Lounge! They hit up Spy. God damn, niggas
I'm sorry,
washed.
I gotta go to Angel. Oh man, no transhumans. There's that HBO show years and years. HBO it's not Showtime. Showtime's still number one channel. You know
Number
what
one
it is.
channel, you know
but
what I'm
the show
saying?
years and years. It takes place in the future in England, and transhuman is like this surgery people do to become like robot and plugged into like the internet or whatever. So like. And one of the scenes, the character's like, I'm trans. And the parents are like, oh, okay, we accept you, blah, 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 blah. And she's like, no, I'm transhuman. It's like, yeah, I got no fucking robots in my house. I was like, yeah, I fuck with that. I fuck with being a bigot against
Robots?
half robot. I don't know.
Listen, it's gonna come in the next like 10, 15 years.
You can't say transhuman though. They gotta come up with a different
Some
name.
other shit.
It's already taken. It's like I can't go on Xbox Live and be Murder Mero. It's already taken.
It's already
They
taken,
did it.
bro.
So if you're gonna be a /robot/ because I feel like what was it before? It was like cyborg.
Android.
That sounds like a slur.
Cyborg.
Because if you call someone an android, they're like,
cyborg.
oh, no, you know what? Because people are gonna call people who are half robot, half humans androids, and they'll be like, get the fuck out of here, you green bubble.
You fucking clown. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Get these fucking green bubbles out of here.
Fucking green bubbles.
Yeah, she should be replaced because the green
Go back,
bubbles got
go
here.
back to where you came from,
Why
green
don't you go
bubble.
catch on fire?
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
Why don't you spontaneously combust?
Get out of here, Samsung.
Yeah. Oh, wireless charging. Oh,
That's right. We just
that's
predicted.
a shithole digital company.
We just predicted future racial slurs. They're not even racial slurs, like future humanoid slurs.
Humanoid slurs.
Wow.
Yo, what are we gonna do?
What are they gonna call? But what if like everyone has that and they have slurs for people who don't have like prosthetics and shit? Get out of here, normie.
You're normal.
Get out of here, you normal.
You were born with no birth defects. What's wrong with you?
Get out of here, you fucking human. Hey, he's human. Like they find out on a date. You go fuck a chick. She's like, wait, no prosthetics?
That's a real dick? Ew.
Ew. Oh, she's like,
Ew.
Oh my god. Gross.
Ew. I bought my dick washing rag.
There are 6 cyborg black chicks. I was dating this guy and he didn't have a robot dick. What should I do?
What should I do? Should I use the screen wipe on his dick?
Oh, and also,
I mean, but low key, I feel like
if one of your kids came home today and was like, "Daddy, I want to be half robot," I need 10,000 quid.
I'd be like, "Shit, bro, like, I don't got it." Just a lot of niggas be like, "Yo, I don't got it." Dog. Like,
see,
start up a fucking fundraiser.
If you watch this show enough and you listen to the podcast enough, you know that is not even a real scenario. Because what would happen is Mero's kid would tell his father, and his father would turn him to a robot just using parts he found in the garbage.
Exactly.
And he called my father. He's like, "Hey,
Papi,
hey,
you don't need that.
You got a crank? You got a crank system?"
Papi, just put the fan on him.
My father's like, "You want a cooling block from 1980 Benz? Say less. I got you. I got you. I'm like, Dad, stop giving Mero's father parts. It's illegal."
Yeah. I come out, my kid is just made out of like fucking toasters and fucking like spatulas and shit. Like,
he just has a red Honda door as an
like,
arm.
yo, what the fuck is going on? Yo, Dad, what you do?
He's like, yo,
Papi, that it looking nice, right? Huh? Let me tell you something. Does he work? Yes. So shut the fuck up.
He tries to connect to the internet through dial-up. He's like, hold on a second.
I'm looking, this nigga's going to the bathroom. I'm like, yo, this nigga got worms. It's just a wild Ethernet cable coming out his ass. Yo, what the fuck is going on? What you do to my kid? He's like, hey, that's my grandson.
I'm like, yo. You're like, yo, what's the spread on the Nick game? He's like, hold on. I mean, I could use my phone to
all right, fuck it. You already doing it. Fuck it. Just, I'm gonna wait. I'll wait. Go ahead. Yo, it's the fourth quarter. It's about to start.
Hello? I'm on the line. Oh, I'm sorry.
Somebody pick up the phone like, damn.
Gotta restart the whole connection.
Fuck.
You ruined my X modem download. Shout out to all the young people like, what are they talking about?
What are they talking about?
Was that like a Sunday morning cartoon?
I was supposed to be like, yo, play fucking Crystal Waters on your real player. Play Crystal Waters on Winamp.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, Yankees didn't do shit. Knicks didn't do shit. Nobody's
But I
doing
think
shit.
the Yankees can survive the storm.
Yeah, no, I think so.
They can.
But we're Yankee fans. We have ultimate faith in our pitching staff, and like nobody else does.
Not really. I don't have faith in our pitching staff at all. It's just we just smack the shit out the ball.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, yo, any pitcher can get lit up any day.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it don't matter if you're the nicest motherfucker in the world.
It's true.
Like, because they're like, oh, we're fucked. And all the mentions, oh, the Astros are gonna destroy us. Yo, they got Verlander, the other guy, and Greinke.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We're fucked. We're gonna go down 3-0 in the series. Blah 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 blah. Yo, calm the fuck down.
Listen,
calm the fuck
people
down.
don't realize like pitching is not. People are like, yo, if you're a great pitcher, that means every time you go out there, you're pitching lights out. Like, no.
Nah, dog. It's 180 games.
That shit is hit or miss.
Verlander could go out there, throw on his third pitch, be like, oh.
You know, shit don't feel right. You didn't see properly.
Yeah.
You know, you got cut off in traffic on the way there.
That's right.
Maybe your girl was beefing about you. Maybe you left your iPhone charger at home.
You know what I'm
Maybe
saying?
you stubbed your toe coming out the littlest things, bro. The littlest things. Listen.
Niggas step in a hole and break your leg.
And I say this to say this. Remember, the cautionary tale of one King Felix for the Seattle Mariners, who had the Yankees number time after time after time, and was supposed to go down as the ultimate Yankee killer. Where's King Felix now?
Where's he at?
They don't even call him King anymore. They just call him Felix.
Yo,
Nigga
Felix.
drive a cab.
Yo, Felix, I told you make a left here. I'm sorry, you don't remember me? I'm King Felix. You call me King Felix.
No.
No. Your ERA is 58.
And you can see by Mero's disdain and disgust for him, he clearly was not Dominican. He was from where? Which other Latino island represented?
Puerto Rico?
No, one of their islands.
Venezuela?
Yeah.
Hey! Shut the door. She got it on deck.
She's like, that's my brother. Oh, shout out to Wikipedia. It's like spouse Sandra Hernandez. I was like, come on now.
She thought.
Shout out to all the secret families out there. Now, he won the Cy Young in 2010.
Yeah.
So, you know.
You got busy.
Also, shout out to him. He made his major league debut in 2005, and he's still pitching. Get all those checks, my nigga. Get all those checks.
Make that money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's injured, though. He's in AAA. But, I mean, you know.
Some niggas still get paid. That's the beauty of baseball. It's like, bro, once you're in, you're good.
You're in, bro.
Like, it don't even matter.
Shout out to CC Sabathia breaking it down for us. Too late, because if I had known this, I would have been pitched in high school, bro. Nigga, I would have had a Jerry curl.
I would listen to my drunk uncle. I'm like, yo, shut up, nigga, you drunk. He's like, you have a big hand and you tall. That's good when you pitching because you pitch like this and you pitching down.
Oh
so
my
let
God.
me tell you, I can do it for you. I can do. And I'm like, nah, I'm gonna go to college. I'm gonna do it. He's like, no, Poppy, no.
This is I'm gonna just hit the problematic light right now. I'm getting a hard on just thinking about you pitching for the Yankees.
You know what I'm saying?
Woo!
You know what I'm saying?
Hat turned a little bit this way.
Sideways
The
with
gold
watch
chains.
Every time I throw pictures, this is like, oh
You
my
wild
God.
disrespectful with shit.
Like spitting on a
calling
mound and
niggas
shit.
Mama Wavo and
Nah,
shit. I don't even understand what the shit is.
Like we be having the whole like the mouth visit and shit. I don't even cover my mouth with the glove.
kid Mero is in his third fight this week.
It's the third inning. What's going on here?
You throw one pitch, you're like, Poppy, what the fuck? Where's the strike zone? I'm like,
The umpire's like, you're out of here. I'm like, no, I would take you. You taking me out of here?
You know who would hate you? Mike Francesa.
Oh man.
Yeah, first time, long time. Mike, I was just, the Yankees signed the kid, prospect, the kid Mero, straight out of DR. I was like, I think he might go. I think he might, be a 20-win winner. I just want to hang up and, hey, what you think about him? Daily Mail personnel. Okay, hang up.
Okay. Cashman. I mean, at this point, I lost all faith in the guy. He just keeps signing these lazy, not gamers. These guys are not winners. When you want to win, you need winners. You understand what I'm saying? This guy, he doesn't run to first base, even though he's a pitcher. He just goes out there with his little chains on and what's the fucking music called? Mons. What do they call the fucking the music that they thing with the?
I believe it's Dembo.
Yeah, the Dembo stuff. What is that? They play the fucking Dembo. The guy comes out. He's a pitcher. What pitcher in the major leagues has walk-up music? Huh? Can you? The guy comes out. He demands a Mercedes bullpen car from the bullpen to the front. He's the starting pitcher. Okay? This is disgusting. This is fucking disgusting. And if I want to get kicked off the air, I would call him a fucking gorilla.
I was just tuning in for your breakdown and shit. Michael K's like, we love him. You know what I don't love? Soup. Never had it.
Yeah, never had it.
my whole life.
Never had it. Oh, there goes another one. See ya.
Every time there's a big game, it's like we got like wild strikeouts and shit. Like you throw the finals before you throw like it's like a 2-1 pitch. No.
Full count.
Full count. You throw the pitch and you walk off the mound before it's even a strike.
Yeah.
Before it's even called. You wild disrespectful. Yeah, I hate to see it. Both of Mero's families are on the field.
Oh my God. Mero just threw the ball backwards.
You run into center field. There's like 2 women chasing you and shit. They're like, oh.
You hate to see it.
John, both his families are on the field.
He's ripped second base out of the ground. What's going on here?
Oh, you hate to. Mero is fighting with someone. He says he wants to bat. He wants to take it. He wants an at bat. Oh, okay.
Oh.
He has taken the ball. He has taken the bat from Didi Gregorius.
Oh.
I don't know if this is okay. He's pointing at the outfield wall. He said something about suck my dick from the back. This is for East Tremont.
Oh, unbelievable.
Okay.
Now
it seems the refs are gonna let him play.
I just don't know what's going on here.
It seems the refs are gonna let him play.
I mean, listen, this isn't the game I played.
Okay, hold on. Wait. Okay. He has a vendor lighting his blunt. That's Jesus Nice.
Whoa.
That's Jesus Nice.
Jesus Nice is on the field. What is going on?
Jesus Nice is apparently a vendor. He's apparently using the hiatus from their show to sell
peanuts in the stand to make extra money. Real Jamaican.
What is he doing? He's jogging out to center field.
Oh, okay. Wow.
He's taking Aaron Judge's glove.
He's running out. Wow, he still has the peanuts, though. He's serving peanuts to people in center field and playing center field. You love to see it.
You love
industrious.
That's it. That's effort.
Okay.
That takes effort and dedication to the craft.
Okay, wow. Mero is charging the mound and a pitch was not thrown. Wow.
What is going on?
He
here?
has the bat in his hand.
This is terrible.
Turn the cameras off. The kids don't need to see
the
this.
kids do not need to see this. Let's just talk about other things.
You just hit the picture in the knee for no reason and shit. Where's my fucking money?
Yo.
Come on, make that movie. Make a movie called Damn Yankees. About us. Or the Yankees. Yeah. Come on, this shit writes itself, bro.
Yo, Spike Whoopi, what up?
It writes itself, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Come on, holla at your boys.
Do we need Spike and Whoopi?
Spike was like, yo, I'll direct y'all shit.
Yeah, but I feel like he
pretty
also be like, I'll take 80% off the cut.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. Now we just gotta write our own shit. But we gotta get to that point we can just write like a 2-line synopsis.
And be like, yo, here.
Because look, do you really think the people that pitched the last episode of Fast and Furious wrote a real script? It was like, yo, it's Tyrese and The Rock.
Yo.
They in cars.
Boom. Go.
Boom. Give me the check, nigga.
Yo, matter of fact, we're going to flip it. We're going to Fast and Furious. We're going to call it Hobbs and Shaw. Woo. And guess what? We got The Rock.
We got The Rock.
Boom.
Cars, explosion, cars exploding, explosions on the cars. What more you want?
What?
Okay.
They just came in with a picture of The Rock hanging off a helicopter. Like, this is the movie. They were like, yo, we're sold.
Fast and Furious people, all you need is a scene where me and Mero drive up, the window drops down, and we're like, that's all you need.
That's it.
You got a new franchise right there.
Yeah.
Fast and Furious
we
in
like
the Bronx.
Tokyo drifting and shit.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. In slow motion. Like,
niggas doing wild races on the Crosswalks Expressway at 5 p.m. AKA we're sitting right there like move.
Yo.
You're not even getting on the bridge.
Yo,
Get out the
what the
lane.
fuck?
Come on, bro.
Yo, come on. I can't ride the rumble strip. My shit is lowered, my nigga.
What is this shit?
Yo, damn. And we in the like Honda Civic hatchback.
Niggas in a CRX with nitro.
Yo.
Niggas pull up the Cardi B. I'm like, yo, you like the race? She's like,
yeah. Hop in. Let's go.
Hold on, let me put my baby in the baby seat.
Yo, Culture, stay still. We're gonna go dumb fast.
Yo, Culture, man the clutch. We're racing her and Gabrielle Union with her baby. They're like, this, it's not really the original plot of Fast and Furious, but I'll take it. What is the original plot of Fast and Furious?
Fucking shit.
Go Fast and Furious?
Yeah. It was Vin Diesel was like a tough guy, and he was like a car thief, and Paul Walker was like the like white savior, I guess, or some shit. I don't know. He was a cop. Oh, he was yeah, that's what it was. He was the ops, and he tried to sneak into the underground racing scene or whatever, and then he was just like, yo, and then I think he like drove into a cliff or some shit.
So when we remake it, Kamala Harris could be the undercover cop.
Bow.
Boom.
She's gonna be like, hey, what's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all? Y'all like to race?
And shit like that.
Yo, who here enjoys illegal street racing?
Yo.
You know
what I'm saying? Just make sure it's illegal, because that's when
right.
that's illegal is lit.
Yo, DJ Hasan, you got pot that's already rolled?
Huh? Do you have any hip hop bangers?
Yo, play some real hip hop. Yo, you got any Logic?
Yeah. Yeah. Play some Yellow Wolf. Yo, I want to hear that new Slaughterhouse.
Yo, Kamala, you cop? You gotta tell me if you are.
I mean, it depends on what you mean by cop. Like, you trying to cop? Or you asking me if I'm a police officer?
Nigga, you a cop! Nigga, you a cop! She's rolling up, she just blows all the weed in your face and runs out the room.
It's the Van Damme shit when the nigga just put that powder in your eye, like,
Get her, guys! She pulls out a walkie-talkie out of nowhere, like, 1040, officers down!
we need a boss, Ace.
Now, we are not joking on Kamala Harris for being a cop.
No.
No, actually, we are.
Yeah, we are.
Fuck that.
Yeah, you a cop,
But
man.
just, also, the other one, Tulsi, what's her name? Tulsi.
Oh, sure, they came through with the white pantsuit? Yeah.
She's the, okay, listen.
conspiracy theory Desus, they said she's a Putin puppet, and she's been placed there because she like backed Assad, not cool Assad, Khaled's baby, but the Assad in Syria,
not Assad,
right?
Assad.
And everyone on the internet is like, she's Putin's puppet. She's the new Jill Stein. And at first I was like, that seems unfair. Those are allegations that are unfounded. But then also I was like, I'll be in the barbershop.
Facts.
So you know what I have to do? I have to take this little bit of misinformation I was given and run with it.
That's right.
So guess what? Don't vote for her. She's a Russian puppet.
She's a Russian puppet. She came through in the cocaine white suit, B. That
You know
shit
what it
threw
is?
me off.
I saw her and I was like, you know what she is?
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
Yeah, that's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, her name is too much. You can never have a president named
right.
a woman president named Tulsi.
Come on,
bro.
You need a real presidential name like Tim Ryan.
Or like Joe Biden. Joe Biden at the debate definitely looked like, yo, if I was on the Amtrak, I'd fight you at the next station, nigga. I don't care if she's abroad.
Yo, when Cory Booker came out and said, there's a saying in my community,
Jesus Christ.
the black community, you are all up if the Kool-Aid.
You are dipping in the Kool-Aid.
And you don't know the flavor.
I was like, listen.
Am I right? Am I
anyone
right?
says that to you, your next words have to be, you're wearing a wire.
Yo,
I want a Law
I'm
and
like,
Order.
fuck, how is she the cop and you sound like a cop?
We need a Law and Order reboot with Cory Booker and Kamala. A New York Undercover reboot with those. Oh my God. I already was stealing rhymes.
Yo, he's biting. That's a crime. I called my friend Lord Finesse to run undercover interference.
Kamala has like a backwards hat. She's like, yeah, I've been down with DITC since back in the day.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Big L.
You know what I'm saying? Big L, rest in peace, rest in peace, rest in peace.
They have like a dance off in the end.
A rap cypher, she's just straight trash.
She's like,
my name is Kamala, and I'm here to say
No,
I'm trying
she
to be presidential in a major way.
she coming on some Jamaican Scott shit like, prosecutor! Prosecute them! Prosecute them!
Prosecute them, ha! Prosecute them! Prosecute them, ha! Prosecute them!
Lock him up now!
Lock them up! Hey! Lock them up now!
Lock him up now.
Lock them up!
Take away their rights. Take away their rights. Gerrymander. Gerrymander.
I'm dead as shit. Gotta slam dunk that motherfucker. Yo. Oh my God.
We need a new system. You know what? I realized the problematic light is not it anymore. We need different levels of problematic light. We need like, yo, chill. Yo, chill.
The chill and the,
hey, yo, go see HR.
yo, nuclear
Yo,
problematic.
Then we need like Showtime's coming to your house.
Yeah, we need the problematic light that's gonna cause a brownout.
There's a
in Lower
problematic
Manhattan.
light. We need a problematic light, which is just like, you're just home chilling and you hear a doorbell. It's just David Neves at a Showtime at your door. Like, we need to talk.
But yeah.
I'm like, that's not a good. Like, no, we gotta talk right now.
Nah, sit the fuck down. Nigga tell you, he put to the couch like, yo, sit the fuck down.
Fuck down. Nigga,
In your crib.
nigga yelling at you like Larry Fishburne and the Bad Boys in the Hood and shit. I'm like, nah, you right, sir. You right, OG.
Yeah, you got it.
Nigga, don't look me in my fucking eyes.
You,
I'm
put,
like,
you put your hand up for the nigga to smack it and shit. Like, you just like, I'm sorry.
You just sit in there. You're like, I'll be there in a second. You're like, all right. Damn, wonder what this nigga gonna talk to me about. Whatever. Nigga run behind you like Ving Rhames and Baby Boy. The Wild's headlock.
He's like, you want to show, little nigga?
Huh? Showtime, nigga?
Huh?
You got City in the Hill slander?
Huh? Motherfucker? Huh?
All right. David Evans like, let me explain something to you little niggas. Two types of niggas in this world. Niggas with guns and niggas with butter. I'm like, why are you using the N-word so much?
Yeah.
You see City in the Hill?
Oh.
That's why, nigga.
Okay,
I'm
sorry.
like, okay.
Sorry. Don't hit me. Just get mad triggered and shit to my pops and be like, no, chill. I didn't mean that. Yeah, sorry.
So sad.
Jed.
Throw a problematic light on there just in case.
Jed.
Problematic light don't really cover much, but problematic light is like if you fuck up with your girl, but you don't really know what you did to fuck up, and you just come through with flowers.
Like, yo.
And she be like, yo, this thing ain't really tried, but they're pretty and they smell good.
Yeah, I try. I stopped the shop right on the way home.
Take these flowers, ma. Take these flowers.
Just take this autumn bouquet that I got.
Take these flowers while you still here, ma.
You know what I'm saying?
I remember I once had once had to borrow money from a girl to buy her flowers because my debit card wasn't working. And can I just say it did not hit the same?
I mean, I can imagine.
No, what her problem was, Ma, you got flowers. I mean, technically,
They're here.
they here, we here.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
I did the legwork.
Okay.
All you did was put some cash in my hand.
And now you talking about you can't smoke in your apartment. Where the fuck am I supposed to smoke then?
You want me to risk my freedom? Huh?
That's when you gotta get the wild butcher knife and take it with you and go smoke in front of her building. Oh, I'm making it hot for everybody.
Yeah. What's up?
Just smoking her fucking hallway. Her neighbor's like, who are you with? I'm like, her.
Yeah, I'm with Tanisha 4B.
Complaining
You got
about
a
her
problem?
shit.
Go talk to her. My name is not on the lease.
Excuse me, you can't smoke in here. You pull out the knife like, word.
Oh, word.
That's how
I
you
can't?
feel? Yeah.
So
What's up?
where I'm supposed to smoke?
Where I'm supposed to smoke at? Huh?
Show me. Why don't you show me?
I just smoking with my friend here, Stabby Stab.
Why don't you smoke? Yeah.
Okay.
Why don't you hey, take this and show me where I should smoke.
You so hot, the knife is talking. I'm like, let me just stab one person, bro.
Come on, bro. Come on.
I stabbed someone.
Come on, man. It's been a while, bro.
It's been a while. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, let me get the sweet taste of flesh again.
Yo, motherfuckers are complaining about us talking about Pinot too much. This is gonna turn into an alternative rock podcast in like 2 episodes.
It's been a while. Yeah, that's why, like, we can't clear any of this shit, but we do such bad covers. Like,
Niggas don't even
it's
care.
never coming up on the algorithm.
Even if it does come up, niggas are like, for you cares.
They're like, who cares? Where are we running? Yeah, that's right. Get a little Lenny Kravitz.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Cool. I'm listening. I'm gonna jump out the window and say, a little overrated. And a lot of women like Lenny Kravitz because he's got a big dick.
That's also true. And it came out on stage. Remember that?
Yeah.
That blunder?
Which we are going to do at our live show. Go to BodegaHive.com. Tickets still available for
You know what I'm saying?
LA. Me and Mero are wearing leather pants.
Crotchless.
One of our cocks is coming out.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Get up for our special guest. My mule. It just comes out like, yo.
If you guess whose cock comes out correctly, you win a free prize.
It's just coming out to that Usher and Alicia Keys song. My mule, my mule, my mule. Yeah, that's right. Meet our dicks at the meet and greet.
Niggas take pictures with our dicks. Like, yo.
Yeah.
Like a dick on the shoulder. Like it's a like, when you go to a resort, niggas put a parrot on your shoulder? Just put the dick on the shoulder like, yo.
She's like, I'm pregnant. Can you put your dick on my belly? Too far.
I was like, ma'am, do you mean literally or figuratively?
I'm just signing autographs when Miro's blowing back in the back. It's a meet and greet, and we met and greet. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, they spell meat wrong.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
You sure to come to our Houston show? We're not having a meet and greet. We're having a meet and breed. Are we just doing Cuckold Fest? Yeah. Our fucking meet and greets.
Yo.
That's right. Bring your bitch. Bring your bitch so you can watch.
Yo,
we're gonna give you a plastic poncho like Gallagher.
I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I feel like there's like a strong percentage of niggas that were like,
venues or
like fans that would be like, yo, I would be honored if you Eiffel Tower my shorty.
Because I was just thinking about when we do the meet and greet, and there's like 200 people just like chilling right there. Now we're on top of stage, just like blowing someone's wife's back out.
Yo,
he's like, can you sign this?
Yo, now that you mention it, we get trizzed after every show.
How? What?
With the meet and greets.
What do you mean?
I just see these two niggas look at each other like, what?
Nigga, explain that. There's Bodega Boys clips now. Like, I don't need this to float around on Twitter.
That's the only thing that's gonna come out. We get trizzed after every show. Not in the literal sense.
Oh, bro, this guy stinks.
Not literally trizzed. Not literally trizzed.
So explain.
It's just like a line. There's a line of people, and they come and we service them, and then they go. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know about the term service them. Okay.
Yo, if somebody says that shit to you in terms of in relation to a sex act, dog, court is involved. The law is involved. This penal code's being broken.
So you mean there's no time when Heather throws out sexy? It's like, you want full service, daddy?
I was like, yo, I want WFE.
You can't ask your wife for a girlfriend experience.
I'm like, she's like, we're married, you idiot. What the
She's
fuck?
like, I want a wife experience. He's like, yeah, the fucking gutters are stuck. Go clean them. Are you just gonna sit around the house all day?
You call Backpage and get the wife experience. Niggas shorty go to the crib and she's like, where's the fucking remote?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Did you lose the fucking remote again?
Enough! I don't know where the remote is.
You get high every fucking night and you fucking put the remote somewhere. I can't fucking find it. The kids wake up in the morning. They want to watch Peppa Pig.
You start
asleep.
clock watching. Yeah, it's been half an hour. You gotta go.
You gotta go.
You gotta
Bye.
go. You gotta go.
Bye. Here's your money. Here's extra for leaving faster. Hey, if you leave a half an hour earlier, can I pay you an extra $150? Roses, I'm sorry.
Roses smell like boo 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 boo. Roses. Do you think there ever was a court case and they were like, "Yo, this person was clearly engaged in prostitution," and the other lawyer was like, "Yo, my nigga, he was paying in roses.
He was like,
throw it out.
you throw it out.
It's not real currency."
Case dismissed.
I do know this for a fact. There is some guy out there that has definitely showed up at some girl's house with 200 actual long stem roses on some sexy shit.
And then Shorty's just
Just
like,
walk through the PJs like, I go in apartment 5B in Southview Projects.
and then you get there, Shorty's like, motherfucker, are you stupid? Like, this is your first time using Backpage, you fucking
bought
clown?
you roses because you're so beautiful.
Wow, you fucking clown. That means money, stupid, because I
They're
thought you
long-
was police,
they're
nigga.
long stem. I've
Your
never
last
seen-
name is fucking Rosenberg, nigga. I thought you was a fucking cop.
You've never seen
That's what I
anyone
said,
as beautiful
roses,
as you.
stupid.
Do all of you live in this apartment?
Yo, you know what? We're gonna do something kinky. You into the kinky shit? You into BDSM and shit?
I mean, that's an operating
So get on the
system.
fucking get on the fucking couch.
This
Get on the fucking couch.
There's a baby on this
Give
couch.
me the roses.
There's a baby on this couch.
I don't care. Move them.
He snapped at me.
It's okay. You gonna get these 200 roses, motherfucker. Put your legs up. We're gonna do Amazon position. That's how we're gonna start. And you're gonna get these roses up your ass, nigga.
Can you turn down the prices right? It's kind of distracting.
No, I need it. I need it because I have to fuck your ugly ass, motherfucker.
I give you.
And you came through with flowers instead of money, nigga. I want money.
Why do you have on Nike basketball shorts and you're frying fish?
It don't matter. Did you come here? Because you asked for GFE. You asked for GFE. This is GFE in Millbrook. Okay? I'm frying tilapia for breakfast for little Tramel. So, don't fucking...
I'm laughing, but I'm not laughing because this is a very real experience. So I'm like, whose fucking basketball shorts are those?
Yo.
Also, whose baby is that?
Yo, I don't know.
That baby wasn't here last week. He's like, it's an Airbnb, my nigga. Why are you asking so many questions? Go fuck that bitch, yo.
Yo, what the fuck?
Fuck. I don't be asking you. I don't ask you questions about baby shit.
Yo, why you using bed sheets as curtains?
Yo, I'm a baby, but like, yo, I still got the tape up from Hurricane Sandy on the windows.
Yo, niggas really thought an extra duct tape was gonna protect them from gale force winds. All right.
I love hurricanes and shit because the government just be lying in New York. Cause they be like, yo, take one egg and put it in the top of your closet to protect your roof. And you be like,
What? Okay.
shit sound right.
Okay,
But
fine.
we don't
cool.
know shit. Like down south, they're like, yo, get the canoe. Like do all these. Like we don't know shit. When there is a hurricane in New York, this is what happens. You call your weed guy. You go get mad wraps.
Yep.
And you go buy bread, milk, butter.
Yep.
Mad shit that's gonna go bad as soon as like your fridge gets turned
Your
off.
fridge gets fried. Yep.
And you watch Netflix.
That's it.
There you go. And you go on Twitter. You be like, yo, this shit is scary.
And you hit the fucking. You call the Chinese spot because they open.
Oh.
They open niggas. Them niggas will be open during the apocalypse.
You know what? You gotta be a wild piece of shit to order Chinese food during a hurricane. That said, at least tip 40%.
Facts. Yeah. If you're gonna do it, tip.
Meet them at the door.
Tip proper.
Niggas come through with the heavy poncho and shit.
Yo.
The fucking e-bike be getting blown away and shit. Nigga be a piece of shit. I'm like, yo, can I check the order, please? All right, 2 orders of this.
I asked for extra duck sauce.
Ooh,
you
I have
can go back and get it.
Like, what time do you guys close? Okay, no, you have time to go back. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's
Just
only
take it
20
back.
blocks.
Just take it back. No, your bike. No, you can walk it. It's walkable. It's walkable.
Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
okay. You don't. Oh,
Okay, I guess I'll be calling Seamless. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you.
Yo, but Seamless is like, you thought, nigga.
Seamless is weird because Seamless customer service. Seamless, pay for an 800 number for your customer service. Stop calling me for Chicago. I always think Chief Keef is running up on me and shit. They're like, that's like a Chicago number. And as a hood nigga, if I see a number I don't know, what do? Not answer. Because either a bill collector or a nigga threatening me or a baby.
Oh, yeah. Or the heat about to go off.
They're like, hi, you calling about your Seamless order? They're downstairs. I was like, why are you calling for Chicago? Why didn't the person just call me?
Why? Yeah.
Also, why are they downstairs? Because we in the Bronx? Come upstairs, nigga. Also, shout out to my Seamless delivery person the other day that was like, yo, bro, can I ask you a question? This building's nice. Like what? Like, what's your apartment run you? And I was like, this is not an appropriate conversation.
Fam, not at all.
I was like, nigga, if you don't just give me my hamburger, keep it moving.
Why are you casing me for a robbery right
and
now?
at that point, I put my foot behind the door because I thought he was gonna do like the try to run in. And also, listen, it should change. That knife is right by the door. You trying to run through my fucking front door? I am cutting your vein.
Keep playing.
All right, it's still BX all day.
You know what I'm saying?
Face chopped.
Niggas got strategically placed machetes all around the crib.
If you're not from the Bronx, if you don't have just random weapons in your apartment,
Facts.
just in case.
Just in case
niggas want to act up.
Yeah.
Or in case a rat wants to bite your baby while you're sleeping with it at night.
You know what I'm saying? Had to be having a book club at the crib. Niggas be like, why do you have a screwdriver in the utensil drawer? Just in case.
Look at Victor shooting a fucking silver bullet commercial back there.
Yeah.
Ooh, sexy. Sexy. Victor in the building.
Fat God. Return of the Fat God.
You said the Facts God or Fat God?
Fat God.
Okay.
Fat God.
Because he's never been fat.
Nah.
I mean, I weigh 196.
PHAT.
Could be both.
Victor weighs 190, but that's a solid 190,
Yeah,
ladies.
nigga, lean muscle.
That's solid, ladies.
196.
Yo, your man is dense.
Short? I earned that.
Your man is thick with it. Your man got that soccer build. All right?
You know what I'm saying?
Surprisingly strong, surprisingly
You know what I mean?
diesel.
I mean, I do have thick thighs.
There you go.
That means he'll blow out your center back.
Wow.
You know
wow,
what I'm saying?
Wow.
We're doing soccer punts now.
Wow. Do you want a man that if he sits in the middle of your couch, he's going to make it weird because like the bottom of your couch is going to drop out and the other two sides are going to be too high? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Mad density.
And I don't man spread. I'm very conscious of it because I have big thighs when I'm on the train.
That's
Huge
right.
pet peeve of mine.
An ally.
Yo,
An ally.
we stand.
Victor does more for the average woman than the average man does.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay?
He got a
6-1 equality in their pay
You know what I'm
schedule.
saying?
No, you get man spreading on the train.
You know how
Man
much
spreading on the
effort-
train is kind of real though.
It is real.
It is kind of real. And then the people that do it, like you can't really call them on it because they'd be like 7:30 and like mentally unstable. So you're like, oh, you got it, big dog.
You got it.
Every now and then you'll see someone on the train and they're violating, but you know that if you say something, you're gonna get your face slashed. So you just gotta eat it.
Yeah.
Like, listen, if I get on the train and you're feeding split pea soup to 3 Cabbage Patch Kids and you're taking up the whole row, hey. This your train now.
Do your thing.
That's you. Hey, do you, big homie?
Do your thing.
You know what I mean?
Do your thing. The most that I will do is if I feel very, very violated, right before my stop is about to come up and the doors is about to open, I'll be like, yo, fuck you, nigga, suck my dick, yo, you piece of shit, nigga. Yo, stop feeding them fucking Cabbage Patch dolls, nigga. You crazy, you wildin'. Fuck you, fuck out of here.
That's I believe that's called the New York coward, and we all do it. Yo, y'all wrong. Y'all, like other people gotta ride the train. Y'all shouldn't be doing that. I gotta go. Here comes the
Yeah, I'm at Buns. Bye.
Cause fighting on the train is cool if you know other people have your back.
Exactly.
If you like, yo, that shit is whack, and one other person in the back like, yeah, you like, yeah, that shit is whack. Nigga, I'll fuck you up.
Yeah,
you know,
what's up?
And there's a good chance someone else is gonna help you. But if you're like, yo, that shit is whack, and it's just like
mad AirPods, like
shit, niggas don't even look up. Person be like, what the fuck you said?
the fuck you said to me?
Not even a year ago, I was on, the G train, and this homeless guy got on muttering under his breath and I accidentally made eye contact with him, and he goes, fuck you looking at, faggot. And I was like,
whoa.
I was like, all right, oh, here we go. But see, the thing is, there's Desus from the Bronx. We love him.
Shout out to him.
But then there's also Desus, the employee on Showtime, who has the late night show.
Yes.
And I say to say this. I had a large, straight from the bodega, brand new cup of coffee. So hot I could barely keep my hand in it.
Oh, you could have just been like,
And I
hold that.
And I was like, if he runs up, ooh.
But then it was just like, what if I splash him with this hot water and I burn some lady behind him?
Yeah, and then she's
Liable
like,
for that.
oh.
What if like the video comes out and it's the video, if they don't catch him saying
While
that to
truncated.
me, it
Yep.
looks like a homeless guy's asking me for money and I throw hot coffee in his face. I can't win. Can't win.
Yo, they dump over audio and shit. He's like,
he's making eye contact with me. And he's talking cash shit, and I have to just keep looking down because I was like, I don't want to. And he just gets off the train. If that had been like 05, woo, nigga.
oh man,
Nigga, I'd be in here right now in a Coogee made for that nigga's intestines.
I would have thrown that nigga on the
Question.
tracks. No cap.
Do you guys remember the first time you sat front row at a boxing match?
Yeah.
We do.
And you got the nitty gritty details of what that's like, the
Yeah.
sweat and the blood.
Yeah.
Could
Yeah.
you imagine fighting a homeless person like that?
Yeah,
That's
you
what
see-
always held me back.
That's-
I was just
Yeah, I'm like,
I
yo,
don't
you,
really.
yo, fam, I don't know what you got, and I know that as soon as you break a sweat, I'm gonna faint.
Their
It's
skin's
be
just
like
gonna
smelling
split.
salts.
That's like the famous Kevin Hart joke about, you know, like when the bum spit got in his mouth or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Shit changes, bro.
He like,
Shit changes, bro.
You start focusing on that, and then he get the drop on you. No,
But then a lot of people underestimate homeless people. Cause you like, yo, I got a house, like I know how to fight. Like, nah, niggas that don't have houses know how to
Know
fight.
how to fight.
Okay, every day I had to fight.
I'm a fucking. He's fighting everybody. Niggas
nigga-
fighting cops, cats, imaginary friends.
They built to go 9 rounds. At best, a good 30 seconds. Okay, good 30 seconds, and I gotta go re-up at Arby's. Like, yo, my meats levels was low. I'm in the corner, and shit. They just give me roast beef and shit. Just wiping it on my forehead.
We got some more corned beef for you, sir.
Beef me.
We got some beef hash.
Cut my eye and put gravy in there.
They got the little shit from like spreading the shit across the face. God damn.
That's right. Shout out to our sponsors, Cash App and Arby's.
That's right.
Cash App and Arby's.
They both have the meats.
They have the meats.
You know what I'm saying?
What was the last thing Arby's sponsored? Nah, fuck that. Better question.
Opioid crisis?
Here's a question more suited for this podcast. Would you fuck a real dog made from Arby's meats?
Damn.
Is it warm?
How fresh are the meat? Yeah.
Fresh out the oven.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you go down on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But nah, I wouldn't, because then that would fuck up the whole thing. Because like,
Because you wouldn't.
I don't know.
You eat it. You
It's
wouldn't
it's like order operations.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
PEMDAS.
You know what I'm saying? Because
Is there PEMDAS for sex?
Yeah.
What is
yeah.
PEMDAS
You know what I'm
for
saying?
sex?
Little ASMR in the ear, like, yo, when I get you home, ooh, I'm gonna tear that ass up. You don't even know what I'm about
Oh
to
wow,
do.
you on TV and you still do that?
Yeah.
Wow, nah, I don't. I'll be like, yo, turn on Showtime, bitch. What's up? What's up?
And then you get
I'm like, I can only have sex between 11 and 11:30. Oh, you got on demand? Okay, that changes shit.
niggas just like on the bed flaccid, like, yo, get to work.
I'm like, yeah. Just give me the wild. Like, I'm like, yeah. I thought Mero was gonna land this joke, but he pulled it off. Look, it's good.
Look.
It's really good.
Just like, what?
Yeah, I wasn't really great with this transition right here, but you know, production has to do what they're working on a rush. Yeah. I fought with Victor over this joke, but he said to leave it in. So, hey, work the balls.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Matter of fact, stop. I gotta go put the fucking hotel sign out there so the maid doesn't come in.
Okay.
They gotta figure out the size. One is like no linens, the other one's like don't come in.
Don't come in.
Big difference.
Yo.
Big difference. Cause me, you know what the thing is? Housekeeping be like housekeeping, and they just bust in like yo, nigga.
Yo. Fam.
Relax.
Yo,
all right?
shorty. Yo,
I know you've seen a lot of. I know you're used to seeing dicks, but not this one.
Nah, this Willie Bobo. Shorty knocked on the door, and I was like, I'm good. Very audibly. And Shorty knocked on the door again and just came in. And then I just got out of bed. I'm like, yo, I'm butt ass naked. I was like, yo, I'm just like holding the covers over my dick. Like, yo, you see what's going on here, right? I was like, can you come back later? Like, I'm gonna be out of here or something?
What I've learned in my travels is Americans say I'm good, and that means nothing anywhere else.
No,
You can, like, if
nowhere.
good. Next time you say to a flight attendant, they're like, "Would you like this?" You're like, "I'm good."
I'm good.
They'll be like,
All right. So,
So
what does
do
that
you want
mean?
it or not?
Do you?
Also, shout out to housekeeping at the SLS where we after our Miami show. That room was such a fucking mess. I had to leave a $40 tip.
Yo.
I was like, yo, good luck.
Yo.
I was like, good luck. It's gonna take you 6 hours. I was like, I don't even know. I was like, fam, there's like onion rings on the roof.
Fam.
Like we was wilding.
I don't know what they had a mirror on the ceiling. I was like, bruh.
Nigga, I was like Lionel Richie. I was dancing on the roof and shit.
Yo, fam. I was like, yo, you niggas gonna see that on the roof? You know what that implies? So you niggas better wash all y'all linens thoroughly.
Mirrors on the roof is cool, but I mean, like, if that's your thing, like, me personally,
I never had one.
Me personally, I just like hidden cameras everywhere. Yeah, you know.
Oh shit, that's Mr. Fun Fun.
You guys want to see the director's cut? Mr. Fun Fun.
Yeah, this is you doing fun doing a circumcision.
You know how like they have like
I directed this guy.
You know how PETA has like the van where they come to spade your pets? He just has that like circumcise your kids.
Circumcise your kids.
Circumcise your
In
kids,
the back
bro.
of my Chevy Blazer. Don't worry, I do it all natural, organically with my mouth.
Wow. Suddenly, Mr. Funny was not as funny.
Nigga finishes, he's like,
wow. That's not even funny because remember there was all those Hasidic priests
that gave kids herpes.
Because after they circumcised them, they sucked it till the blood stops.
Yeah.
How you add that part? That's not in the Bible.
Fam.
Who's the first person to be like, yo, they were like, so this is what we're gonna do. It's very important. We got circumcised.
Yo, I got a washcloth right here for after.
Yep.
No.
Someone in the back like, yo, suck on them little niggas' dicks. I was like, what? He in the back man's drunk, like, yo, suck on that baby dicks.
Yo, baby's like, yo,
stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Yo, hear me out. I mean, they be there, we be there, our lips be there. Like, fuck it. Y'all eat calamari.
The baby getting the circumcision, the shit is done and shit. Now the rabbi is getting closer to the meat, and the niggas just looking at him like, like, what you about to do then?
Oh, man. We're like, yo, we here, you know what I'm saying? We just here to, you know, take care of this fucking baby.
Yo.
All right, circumcision's done. Time to let him go. And then the fucking rabbi's like,
We have the meat.
Yo, I was like, that's gonna be one or two things. It's either gonna be that or it's gonna be fucking put it in my mouth.
I'm only down for dick sucking and cock sucking. Oh,
Yeah, the way.
people were just like, this podcast has gotten worse. It's gotten better.
It's gotten better, dog.
It's just got very low brow. We used to talk about like Trump and like politics and
But
shit.
it's like, bro,
This is what we talk about. This is what it is.
no, listen, man, listen. Politics time will come. You know what I'm saying? Like we have been saying, there's way too many people out there
There's way too many.
for us to be like, yo, we riding with homie, we riding with this one.
Also, we don't know their names.
That's a very important part of it. too.
Damn, I watch MSNBC now and I'm like, yo, this shit is trash.
I'm like, who
bro.
are these people?
You know how I know my life is weird? Yesterday, I said to myself, right after our show ended, I was like, damn, I wish the Knicks was playing.
Yo, for real.
No one has ever said that before. No one has ever said, I want a Knick game. Nigga, wait, for what?
Yo, I just want to torture myself. I'm into BDSM with no like leather or anything like that.
Because you know what? I love the Knicks.
I just want mental anguish.
You know what else I love?
I love my wife.
Yeah.
I love my wife.
Yeah.
Let's go ride a bike with my wife. My wife's real young. My wife's real small. Let's go to the beach and play with a beach ball. Praise Jesus God and my wife. Let's go to the beach and ride a bike.
Woo!
Chance with the bars.
God damn. Nah, stop.
They didn't have to do him like that.
Yo.
Hip hop is so fucked up. Like, he was like, I love my wife. And nigga was like, yo, roast this nigga.
Roast this nigga.
This nigga loves his wife.
This nigga love his family.
This nigga likes God. How we roast? Like, it's like Chance to just eat a salad. Like,
This nigga's
nigga
a good
trying to live. This nigga got morals. Yo, hip hop is trash.
Yo,
bro.
it's terrible.
This nigga's getting older.
What? Yo, this nigga 30. He's old as shit.
Oh, this nigga died. Then meanwhile, we're like, yo, this nigga Chance corny as shit. Yo, free take hey.
Nigga made a song like, yo, it's a Bobby Schroeder fucking effect.
Nigga made a song called, yo, I shot them niggas.
I shot them niggas.
I shot them niggas like this.
And then I blew trial.
I shot them niggas like this. And then I shot that nigga like that. And I pulled out my gun. And went
nigga, hold that.
And the judge is like, what does this have to do with the trial?
Niggas lawyers.
I'm like,
niggas lawyers, Tim Vocals.
these niggas, they love to hate. So I shot both of them on June 28th. And you're like,
wow.
wow. Ooh.
Shit. The prosecution rests.
Shot one with a 380. Shot the other one with a 4.5. Shot him in the head twice. So I made sure he wasn't alive.
Oh shit. The DA's like, thank you. I didn't even know that part.
The lawyer just leans over like, yeah, I'm not gonna be his lawyer anymore.
Yeah, I quit.
Yeah.
Nigga just take his time off like, yo,
He's like, yeah, Your Honor, I didn't realize my client was fucking wilding, so I'm just gonna just move on.
Niggas gotta give him the PO of fucking defense and shit. Be like, yo,
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
I'll do the talking.
He's like, they're like, you have anything to say? Yo, I want to drop this new G mix.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, yo,
get ready.
Yo, word, yo. I shot this bitch ass judge in the face because he wouldn't dismiss my case.
That's right.
Stop.
What you mean? Stop what?
Stop. Like, nah, like you threatening.
Nah, fuck these bailiffs, nigga. Fuck this judge. Yo, judge. Woo, hold that.
That's what I call bars, motherfucker.
Yeah, you know nothing about that.
Woo. Oh, shit. The judge is like, oh, shit, I got shot. I can't die. I got kids. I
can't do it.
And Mr. Funny comes like, how hot are your kids, bro?
I mean, I can take care
they're
of
not
them.
going to have a father. I can raise them.
I can take care of them.
I can raise them or they can raise something on me. It's been episode 167. Yo. The world's most dangerous and fucked up. And why do you listen to this podcast and you're going to hell? You're going to feel so bad when you get to those pearly gates. And you're like, my Lord, my Savior, I've lived a good life. Let me into heaven. He's going to be like,
stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
he's going to be like, Bodega Boys episode 133. At the 8-minute mark with 15 seconds, you literally had tears in your eyes.
Yeah. What about that?
Okay.
Oh, how about this? Jesus and the dinosaurs. Remember that?
Remember Jesus and the dinosaurs? Remember that? Yeah. Remember Mr. Funny?
Yeah. Yo, Jesus, come down here. Come down here, my nigga. This is the nigga that said you riding dinosaurs.
Oh, a word? Look, I don't chop you, nigga.
Fucking pussy ass nigga.
All right.
Yo, Satan, come get these niggas, man.
Do Satan just be chilling in heaven?
Satan's at the door and shit like, he's like the fucking bellhop.
Wait. From my interpretation of the Bible, Satan is Urkel and heaven is the Winslow's house. He just be walking in.
He's like, hey guys,
as an invented sin. Did I do that?
any sinners around?
Eve is Laura. I don't want to blow y'all minds.
Wow. That's right. And then the curly hair shorty was the apple.
She died from cancer.
She did?
Yeah. Mara, the one that liked Steve?
Steve?
Yeah, remember she was in the 5 Steps video with Drew Hill?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm not even lying. She died from cancer a long time ago. And the worst part is she died so long ago. If you look, her Wikipedia page is mad short because niggas ain't know.
Oh, no.
Dark Jesus, ruin your day. Dark Jesus, are you okay? Dark Jesus, you can't drown yourself in a sink in a hotel full of water. Believe me, I tried. Straight up. Yo, it's me, boy. Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Stay Fat like cereal, aka Pockets Stay Fat like what? Who? Here we go. Hey. Some of that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanas with the Rondo, 1994, Mikel going off the Juve, Post, MC, Google P, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Upu. Don't know you, bruh. Do you know plus one got plus ones? Don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chuckanuri like the Culinary. Okay, Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
Hey, papi.
Que lo que.
Papi chulo.
Yo soy dominicano. Two Phone Jones, Jesus Mackin,
right.
Jake Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bounds label, dilute the third time.
3 times.
That's right.
If you do it less than 3 times, you need to.
Also, it doesn't say on the label, but if you wash your dick after unprotected sex with Dr. Bonners, it cures AIDS. All right, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry and mislabeled, and perhaps the performance of dead. But you know what? Fuck it.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? If I could spank to it in 01, I could spank to it in 2019.
That's right.
All right. Shout out to Coffee Brown. Oh wait, do you know the porn star Marie Love? Do you remember her?
Yeah.
It's like she keeps tweeting. She's like, "Yo, I love Desus. I love Desus. I love Desus." I'm like, "Yo, Ma, you are a porn star, a former porn star. If you think I won't move you into my apartment, you are sadly mistaken." Okay? Come on, let's go make these mistakes.
Let's do it.
DJ Woolite, aka listening to Wash FM. Up next, because y'all niggas don't fuck with real hip hop.
Hit me.
You don't even up on this.
Wicked.
You ain't up on this. You know hip hop?
Hip hop.
All right. I'm about to take you on Pitchfork hip hop.
Oh
This
shit.
ain't even hip hop from like our day. This is new real hip hop. You know about Bodie James?
Do it. I do it. If I ever see it, I'ma do it. I do it. Gotta get a change, yeah, do it. I do it. If I ever see it, I'ma do it. 54 bit blocking on the open road, no pit stop. No, this ain't my first.
And I bring him up only because like he was like on a list of people to watch and shit. The shit's bang. Only had 25,000 views on the song.
Oh, shut that.
So shout out to Bodie James. Check this shit out.
Yo.
That's real hip hop.
He's doing it.
But you know, if you don't like that real hip hop, you can always listen to that.
Oh, I love my wife.
Yeah.
I love my wife. Let's go ride a bike with my wife. My wife's real young. My wife's real small. Let's go to the beach and play with a beach ball.
Let's play with a beach ball.
Whoa.
Wow, that's called
Boss,
lyrics,
nigga. You know nothing about that.
Yo, the Curry Gold, these Spice, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Leon, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain the human memory with the jaw, young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedwig, Bud Coast, Nelson Mandela, so you can't see me, Vladimir Booth, and him, melting him out. Mr. Bucks on Deckerton. Drinking a Stella here because, you know, it's we here at Milk. It's different. It says a Pilsner. It's the same difference. Come on, bro. Ricky Tiki Squad. Greg Pop. A bitch more says Richie Chestnut. Oh, shout out to the Smith restaurant. I mean, they had the I've never had fried green tomatoes before. Fantastic, bro.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Try it.
It's good. It's also a great movie. If you want to see
Julia Roberts.
Does she die from cancer in it?
I think Meryl Streep is in it also.
Yeah. So it's like it's the white woman version of 4321.
Yeah.
The song with LL Cool J and Cannabis.
Yep.
Yeah. Watch me rip that mic from your arm.
Yo.
More says to chest up. Bahama Gombe. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. Juice are pressed with your boy.
Yeah.
Never. I am the art, damn it. The Dundallic Newsom, a couple noodles. The Prince of Beckham, the Fast Nova, Cash Nova. We make sense. 5 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change.
What you need?
Wine. Wow, I just got into like a little Iggy Azalea black scent. Oh, wow. Going after my salute is Dipset. This is Saga catch me at square one top left. Mans is Marv, and maybe RJ Barnett is my son, but you know what? I'm gonna root for him regardless.
That's right.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
And maybe the rage he has because I was not in his life while he was growing up in Mississauga will motivate him
to be rookie of the year,
to a chip
and MVP,
or as they say it in England, as they say it in Canada, a chip.
A crisp.
A crisp. Quality let the Toronto Raptors get a crisp. Sure, Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Sophomore going through his count checks to jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ, purple stuff soda, and it's me, Sunny D. And then OJ starts stabbing the purple stuff. Wow. Hey, are you going through a midlife crisis? Is your wife not as attractive to you as she should be? Welcome to David Yurman. We have overpriced gems. Would you like a piece of wood I found on a beach in Malibu and I charge you $450 for it? Yeah, this is
boy.
David Yurman. You know David Yurman is weird because like they sponsor the Yankees, so say less. However, these expensive. These are red bottoms. These are bloody shit.
That's right.
Yeah. We should make blue bottoms for Crips.
Oh shit!
We call them Nipsey bottoms. Nipsey bottoms. Because people will buy it. People like to ride the wave.
God.
Yeah. Rest in peace, Nipsey. So Akeem Noah, Andrew Coon, and I'll be killing niggas. AKA the Junior, Energy God Junior.
Yo.
Come sit down, Palmy Charger.
Sit punny, one punny.
We gotta make a movie where you keep buying so much Versace, you become the reincarnated Gianni Versace.
Oh shit!
And like we can't do the podcast. You keep talking about like fashion and shit.
Oh, but then I know that Andrew Coon trying to kill me and shit.
Yeah,
and I still let him top me off anyway.
Call me Petco because I got you a picture. Oh man. And I'm just thinking because it's just like This is you, Andrew Cunanan, in the garage and shit. You're like, are you here to kill me? He's like, I'm here to do more than kill you.
Got your girl in the garage, you see me?
I'm like, man, I'm calling you. I'm like on your the big Zach Morris phone. Mero, don't go in there with him. Don't let him suck you off. But it's too late. And it's just like, all you hear is.
Yeah. I can't hear him. My testosterone's getting wild toppy.
He's like, relax.
Yeah.
You're like, don't do it.
Don't do it. When I want to hear. Yeah.
Why does every 80s song sounds exactly like what doing cocaine sounds like?
Hell yeah.
Like, yo, you feel that shit, bro.
That's a cocaine waveform.
Hey, the topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. And let me tell you something about Sayasa. It's going to stay a nice city. And no fucking green bubbles are gonna live here. You
That's
hear me?
right.
All right. Keep this free. Keep this fucking town green bubble free.
That's right.
All right. No child of mine is going to school with a green bubble
over my dead body.
All right. It's a sunset town, not because we're racist, because the fucking Islanders play. We gotta be inside. AKA Grandpa joke, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket,
motherfucker.
Also, if your child dies on our facilities, we're not responsible for it. Why'd you bring him inside Chocolate Factory?
I mean,
yeah.
I told him, no, don't eat that shit.
Also, R. Kelly has ruined the term Chocolate Factory. It sounds like a scary place now.
Yes.
It sounds like some shit you didn't really pay for on Backpage, and now you in over your head.
Mm-hmm. How
like,
much?
Oh, you want that? Oh, you want the Chocolate Factory? And it's like, nah, I just wanted the Mormon position. But that's cool.
I was cool with just like regular missionary.
Your man Dead IDs is more than sheriff.
Hey.
Be ashamed if I stole this Instapot out this William Sonoma. Are you William or Sonoma? But shout out that street easy like a bad breach, like I'm easy. Please believe me. And that's right. When I pull up at your underpriced Bronx 3-family house, don't tell me leave the tenants alone, because I'm gonna offer them straight cash. Be like, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna tear this shit down, turn it into a condo.
That's right.
That's right.
Also,
you might be hearing rumors. It is true. I am buying a building on Bruckner Boulevard just for my Jordan 1s.
Yep.
It used to be a daycare center. I got rid of the kids.
Yep.
It's only for my 1s.
Actually, he got the kids in there making the shoes right now.
Okay, that'd be too far. That'd be a monster. The black Asiatic who crack your back like automatic craftmatic missile armor in the mesh marina with fresh misdemeanor code demeanor. The sheet mask killer. No one could be iller. The black Zach Marcus of Port Morris, aka a problematic bae.
Whoa.
Listen, if you crack the window and leave your dog in the car, he should be all right, right?
I guess so, right? It's like poking holes in like when you capture a butterfly or something.
There you go. Can't capture a butterfly. You see what happened when they try to capture Mariah Carey.
Oh.
Up next, we got the number 1 prospect for the Yankees.
That's right, Papi. I'm coming to shore up the starting rotation.
The first person to be suspended for steroids before he even took the field.
You know what I'm saying?
The only man who tested positive for fentanyl. We don't even know how that helps you play baseball.
You know what I'm saying? It does not, but it evens the playing field. You feel me?
He's the only pitcher that carries Narcan for himself.
That's right. Mound visit?
Nigga like gets on the mound like
I do my own mound visits and shit. I'm like, yo, you good, nigga? Yeah, I'm good. You good?
He's talking to himself again.
I'm good. You think I'm good? I'm good. I'm straight.
You hate to see this. He has a little Bluetooth headset playing bachata from the mound. It's upsetting other batters.
Hey, shut the fuck up. Motherfucker. I'll throw the ball. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Clap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, hop the curve, hit your motherfucking beat, gonna keep it moving. Ask me if I can fuck, nigga, call Peter. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I don't fucking baby, I fucking main, nigga. AKA, no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, bruh. I played Bumblebee's rearview mirror and Transformers. You know what I'm saying? Don't fucking touch me. Yo, next shoot this nigga's earlobes off, dogs. Stop fucking playing with me.
Robots in disguise.
That's right. AKA CC Dab Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Doing wild concentrated hits of THC, you know what I'm saying? Until I'm in the fucking mesosphere, nigga. What's popping?
Dab on them.
Yeah.
Thanks for the ring in 09, bro.
Yeah, we love you, bro.
We love you.
AKA, get to this money and this smoke is your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I got my motherfucking kids a road named after them.
It's Old Town Road?
It's Old Town Road. And they on the 37th remix featuring Lil Nas X, Mero Jr., Mero the 3rd, Mero the 4th, and the Bodega Princess coming to your theater near you on Broadway. Directed by Lin-Manuel Miranda.
Down tomatoes, we're gonna ride till we get it no more. I got the loose change in the bag.
Hey.
Tesla in the rack.
Hey.
My daddy's on the track.
Hey.
He's no longer selling crack.
Yeah.
Nobody got straight backs.
Woo.
It
That's
could
right.
work.
You know why? Because I'm motherfucking dad of the year.
Dad.
AKA Bitch Smack Me Elbow. AKA Diego Maradona. AKA Digging Your Big Motombo. You know, come in this pussy no more. Because I'm respecting our agency. Thank you.
We love a woke player.
You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? We got all the power forwards. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta sign Jamal Crawford. You know what I'm saying? So he can cross somebody up.
J crosses.
You know what I'm saying? J crossover. AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car.
Sir.
Sir.
What? Are you alive?
What? Yeah.
You just hit 4 cars.
Yeah, no, I'm just designing women's shoes.
You hit 4 cars.
I just, it's okay.
I'm gonna see your. I gotta see your insurance.
No, it's fine. I did a song with Rob Thomas back in the day. You're fine.
I called the cops. You're in trouble. You're in big trouble. You're in big trouble.
No. AKA don't attack my daddy. AKA sweat my cardigan. There's definitely money on the motherfucker. Don't make me embarrass you for the management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how the kids are doing. Fucking Jonathan. You like your little fucking Adidas outlet job, huh? John. They put the fucking underwear, which are extremely high quality, in the fucking bag and keep it moving, bro. Before I come in here and fuck shit up. I'll turn this whole shit upside down, dude.
The whole shit up.
You know what I'm saying?
Whole shit.
Talk to the big blood.
Big
you know
blood.
What I'm saying?
Have that same energy when
Have
you pull
that
up.
same energy, nigga, when I can pull up to the register. Okay, Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami, so zanny. Yeah, I'm live at Yankee Stadium kissing your titi's gooch, nigga. I don't care. I got Chelsea boots. Step up, stupid. I dare you. Fuck you up. Yo, deja la obsesión conmigo, mamá huevo. AKA Lightning Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eye. That you broke as I got $5. Don't you even got $5? Jesus came back with €5. Nigga, you could do better than that. Bring some money, nigga. Don't come with a fucking Dutch. Talking about, yo, I got a Dutch though. No, get out of here. Go. Stupid. This thing got me vexed, yo. Hey, get Tom Brady, got my balls to figure like Bobby Crack. Yeah. You know
This
what I'm
nigga
saying?
talking that Peppa Pig language.
You know what I'm saying?
My man is chafed.
You know what I'm saying?
Have a digestive biscuit.
You know what I'm saying?
Would you like a
Yo,
cuppa to calm you down?
It's time for high tea. You know what I'm saying? It can't feel that excitement. I won't explore your cosmos, man. But consensually. Okay? AKA Lil Snoozy Vern, first nigga to tap out on live. You dig? You know what I'm saying? First nigga innovator. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zenil Benfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? And they got one in Jersey now. You know what I'm saying? Because the influence, the brand is so strong. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I created a president using only a scrotum and some orange zest. You could never, your fave could never. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, boy. It says, Dan, man. AKA, Rico Sabroso. AKA, Baby Newport 2. 5 niggas got garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? Fucking all you jewel niggas. Get back on that wave. You know what I'm saying? That menthol death. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA, live from the front of Rodriguez Food Corp on Southern Boulevard, doing all his greatest hits. It's the East Stream on CVB. Doing his joints like, I wanna be the one your DT is fucking. And Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave.
Stevie, I told you you're blocking the door.
What
Get your Beats by Dre headphone out of here. Come on. People gotta come inside and outside.
I'm rich, Poppy.
You can't. You're gonna get a noise audience. Get out of here.
No.
I swear to God, I'll get the broken room. I'll beat you again.
Listen,
get out of here. Get out of here.
Listen.
Get out of here.
No, listen. But listen.
Dance.
I love you, baby.
Get out of here.
Oh.
Nigga, shut up.
No, okay, I'm sorry, Poppy. AKA, there's only 2 rock stars left, mate. The Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? And you will receive this after the fact, but we will have destroyed Los Angeles on 2 dates. 2 rock stars left, mate. I'm one of them. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bundle of unidentified pills in my ass. You know what I'm saying? 2 rock stars, mate. The plantain supernova and Desus Gallagher. You know what I'm saying? Mate, you know what I'm saying? It's fucking downloading tunes for niche pieces of garbage. AKA, I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail, Joe. Never. You know what I'm saying? We're ready to go on the fan, New York Sports Radio. You know what I'm saying? AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for Damian Lillard to give him a ring. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Clank. Damn. Niggas ain't picking up the phone. Yo, if you see me at Target higher than Wiz Khalifa in a motherfucking spacecraft, nigga, run by Richard Branson, approach me like a motherfucking Earthside mammal, nigga. I may react radically, dog. I'm just trying to figure out what's the difference between sunflower seeds. You know what I'm saying? They got rich, they got spicy. I'm trying to taste test, nigga. Stay out of my fucking way. AKA. That's real. Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. You may remember me from the intro, but I'm back. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up at your kid's birthday party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I will fall asleep and pee on myself. You're not getting your deposit back. Have fun with Mr. Fun Fun.
Hey, sexy lady. Can I get to know you? Because I want to have fun.
Sir, these children are 5 years old.
I mean, it's a bar mitzvah, right? Right? For these kids.
I guess he's becoming a man.
I got a bot. I want them to mitzvah. hey.
All right, I'm gonna go now.
Which one of you paws want to patrol my ground?
Did everybody sign their waiver? Benzo, sign it off.
I got an NDA if you guys, you know what I'm saying. Don't tell your parents.
Okay. All right, baby. I don't bring Mr. Fun Fun next time. Okay, that's some fake leads your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Minute Maid, Fruit Punch, and motherfucking Sudafed. AKA, this is the part where you turn on your SAP and your subtitles.
Yes, bro.
Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que ahora vengo con rango. Llegó el de FIFA, coño, la tostadora de pan. Mamagüevo, bajando con pila de Floyd Piquete. Más pegado que un par de granos cuando está frío. Llega a la grasa, mamagüevo. Siempre con la bandera alta como la nota. Ya tú sabes. Oye, loco, estamos de gira. No sé, vamos para Texas, vamos a tocar todo Texas, ¿ok? Dallas y Houston. Así que, si tú no llegaste a ver los Rolling Stones en vivo, esta vaina es 10,000 veces mejor, mamá huevo. Así que, apúntate.
I'm just doing the Katy Perry with the Migos. Like,
walkie-talkie. Dime que no. Boletos ahora en bodegahive.com. You know what I'm saying? Y finalmente, shout out acá, you know what I'm saying? Y shout out Showtime. Y shout out Hasan y Zayn, el que pone la nota. Y shout out las nenas de la bodega, Diana y Vicky. Y shout out mi presidente Pío, la secretaria de defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto pa' ahí. Me quité. Ya.
you know what it is. Episode
You know what I'm saying?
167. Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Milk Studios. Check out bodegahive.com.
Leche.
Check us out. Hosting the TCAs, hosting mad shows and shit.
You know what
we
I'm
on a
saying?
hiatus, but you know we have the number one show at late night on Showtime. Desus and Mero, we
You know
coming
what I'm saying?
back. And
Stay focused.
And you know what? If you see us in the same clothes for the next episode, guess what? We just grinding, nigga.
That's right.
That's right. We're not poor. Don't listen to any reports that our show got canceled. We got sued because of Mr. Funny jokes.
No,
were
no,
not funny.
no. That didn't happen.
That
That didn't happen at all.
At
Nah,
all. Okay.
no.
And if someone heard it and got inspired and became Mr. Funny, like
That's right.
not. We're not responsible.
We're not
for
responsible for that
Like,
at all.
You're adults. You do your own stuff.
That's right. That's a disclaimer.
We out.